am Mira certified holistic life coach and wellness chef, and I'm stopping by to say hi and show you this fun way to keep yourself active. So stay tuned. This is an exercise loop for adults, 2 pounds, and what a great way to stay active even when you don't want to exercise. If you want to learn more routines, there's a lot of people online on YouTube that have videos. You could watch them. I'm just learning, but I can tell you it helps my back, it helps my abs, and I can actually, there's different things like my knees, I want to warm up my knees like that. But that's it. I still don't know how to do it with my hips, but I'm learning. You could do it slow, or you could go faster for a little bit more cardio. But what a way workout. If you want to get started with something, get this hoop. Thank you. And you don't necessarily have to be an expert. I don't know how to do a lot of stuff with it. I'm still learning, but it's so much fun. If you want to stare at the TV for a little bit, do it while you're working out, keeping your lymphatic system going, keeping your body moving, sweating a little bit. It's a combination all for wholesome. Always remember, if you have an issue with your back, consult with a physician or your physical therapist before starting any exercise programs. But I highly recommend this because it's so much fun. Whether you're happy, you can't stay mad if you do this. And I'm gonna post the link so you could get one, okay? Bye.